Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 11 Sukoon or Jazm. In previous videos, we have learned many examples of Sukoon or Jazm. In this video, we will continue more examples about Sukoon and or Jazm. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Sukoon or Jazm? As we have already learned that this sign is called Sukoon or Jazm. A letter which has a Sukoon sign or Jazm sign on it is called Sakina letter or silent letter, and Sukoon sign or Jazm sign always placed above the letter. On the letter, this sign will not place, never placed below the letter or under the letter. This sign always placed above the letter. How we pronounce the Sakina letter or silent letter? The letter which has a Sukoon or Jazm sign on it, that letter is pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. And how we pronounce it, we will see in this video. How we pronounce the Hamza Sakina. What is Hamza Sakina? Always pronounce Hamza Sakina with a sudden pause. Hamza Sakina always pronounced with a sudden pause. What is letter of Kalkala? The meaning of Kalkala is movement. There should be some movement in the makhraj. What is makhraj? Makhraj is the existing point when pronouncing any letters such that the sound echoes. How many letters of Kalkala? There are 5 letters of Kalkala: Dal, Jim, Ba, Qa, Qaf, and their combination is Qutbu Jaddin. How we pronounce when the letters of Kalkala are Sakina? When the letters of Kalkala are Sakina, Kalkala should be more clear. In this lesson, take special care in correctly pronouncing the letters of Kalkala and Hamza Sakina. Let's start. Hamza, Kha, Zabar, Akh. Keep remember, if Alif has any sign on it or below it, then it will be pronounced as Hamza. It will not pronounce as Alif. Therefore, this is Hamza. Hamza, Kha, Zabar, Akh. Hamza, Kha, Zer, Ich. Hamza, Kha, Pesh, Ukh. Akh, Ich, Ukh. And Kha is Mustalia letter will be pronounced with thicker voice or heavy voice. Hamza Ghain Zabar Agh, Hamza Ghain Zir Igh, Hamza Ghain Pesh O. Agh Igh O. Hamza Ba Zabar Ab, Hamza Ba Zir Ib, Hamza Ba Pesh Ub. Here Ba is Kalkala letter and Kalkala is Sakina here. So therefore Kalkala will be more clear in when Kalkala is Sakina. Recite like this: Ab, Ib, Ub. Hamza Mim Zabar Am, Hamza Mim Zir Im, Hamza Mim Pesh Am, Im, Hamza Waw Zabar Aw, Hamza Waw Pesh U. There is no zir used before Waw Sakina. There is no zir before Waw Sakina. Aw, U. Hamza Fa Zabar Af, Hamza Fa Zir If, Hamza Fa Pesh Uf. Af, If, Uf. Hamza Lam Zabar Al, Hamza Lam Zir Il, Hamza Lam Pesh Ul. Al, Il, Ul. Hamza Noon Zabar An, Hamza Noon Zir In, Hamza Noon Pesh Un. An, In, Un. That is the lesson number 11 part 3. Inshallah in next videos we will learn more examples of jazm or sukoon. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.